So now we've identified all of the variables for Finance Solver. So we've got PV, CPY, PPY, PMT, I, and N. We are going to find, so we need to find the final payment, all right, which is going to be different from the other payments of 42.91. So 36 payments would finish this off normally, but they're telling us that because of rounding it doesn't quite. So what we need to do is we need to find the 35th payment. And by finding the value, the future value after the 35th payment, we'll end up with the amount owing not quite being 42.91. Okay? Once interest is applied for the final month, this will not be the same as 42.91. So therefore it won't quite work. So what we're going to do, we're going to work out that one. So we've got the future value now just before the final payment, which is 42.62. And we're going to copy that whole thing into the PV for the final payment. Right. So then we delete the sign because this is still in his bank. Alright, and this bit's really important. So he still has that $42 from the bank. He's never paid it back yet. Alright. Then we're going to put this as a 0 because they want to fully repay. And PMT is the one that we don't know yet. Now N, unless he's going to do 35 mini payments in that last month, has to be changed to 1. So this is that final one. He's done 35. Now there's the 1 left. He owes this. He wants to owe this. So what's that final payment? And this will just add on that tiny amount of interest, and that's what he pays. And then it's quits. Then the loan's done. So by adding on the interest for one more payment, it goes up to 42.85 if we round, and then the loan is finished. All right, and it's a slightly different payment to the one that he was doing before. So we end up with 42.85 as the final payment.